So, I've discussed very important topic is just copy this URL. It index or not. How to check? Go to Google search engine. Go to search box this here. Copy this URL. Click for search. The URL index. URL index. No. One is YouTube. Second will be YouTube. But this is my website. Rakesh solution. How to index within a minute this URL? That is called, write down google.com/webmasters. Log in your webmaster with the Gmail and password. After that, select relevant website. Select relevant website. The website name so and so. Search by your webmaster. First, click any website here. After that, now select any website. Is loading here. So this select my website here. What is my website? Rakesh Solutions. Select here on out of websites. So where is my website? Just search here. Done. Okay. Where after selecting your website, go to write down, crawl, fetch as Google. In this one, copy the URL extension of your website. Copy. Go to here, paste it. Click for fetch. After that, request into index. Go to captcha code. Click for the first time. Crawl this URL. Same URL will be repeat. Go to the second option. There will be first time repeat. Let's go into first option. Same URL repeat for second time. Go to the second option. Now click for go. Done here. Just come to your site. Refresh. Now copy this URL. Search where? Google search engine.